Why is he concentrating so hard?
Okay, let's sit down to paint the picture and listen to music too.
Is this elephant painting? What is he painting? Took a picture, didn't it? And he dancing. There ain't even no music. Maybe it's a she, I don't know. Uh-oh. There goes some music. Oh my goodness. What is that? That music is so calm. Shoot, I'm about to start painting up in this junk. What the heck? Where's my paintbrush? Look at this. Oh, elephant.
Yes,
another
but
picture.
to painting the picture is not every elephant can